In this episode, we're going to start adding our plywood to the ribs of our ceiling. We are renovating a 2018 ProMaster van into a vanofaction.com. Come on along for the ride. Our jack nuts are in place, our layout's done, and we're all set to go. And it's important at this moment to say there's no right or wrong to this. You have to figure out your layout and how you want it done. This is a ProMaster van, and unlike a Transit or a Sprinter van, the ProMaster van's ribs are quite narrow. And I want to create a space for a little more insulation in the ceiling. I've got lots of height between the floor and the ceiling. I can sacrifice another 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to add my plywood strips to the underside of the ribs. Some people will choose to put it on the side of the ribs. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm also choosing to have my plywood be wide enough that it overhangs the metal on each side. That's going to help me in the future for making other connections that I want to make. And it's just part of the construction I wanted to build into it. First thing we have to do, put our little markers into the jack nuts so that we know where they are, because they're not all in exactly the same place. And then, just with a pencil, mark the top of those screws. Get a little of the lead on those screws. What you do is you hold the board up this way, so you know you don't want it to go too far side to side. That's really important. And then center it, eyeball it so it's about in the center of the rib. Okay, then carefully bang it. Now we go to the workbench. Okay, so here's the board. This is the back of it with the spots marked where we have to drill our holes. Now, imagine that this is the board, and up here is the ceiling of the van, the top rib of the van, and down here is the inside of the van cab. So on this side of this board, we have to make room for our jack nut, because the jack nut has a bit of a shoulder. And if it sits on this, it'll just rock. So what we have to do is, we have to drill a small hole on this side of the board to allow for the jack nut to sit inside. On the underside, we're going to have our 1/4-20 bolt and a washer. So on this side, we have to drill a hole that'll accommodate the nut. And then we have to drill a hole between the two of them to make sure to allow for the bolt to go through. So that when this goes up on the ceiling, it's got a good purchase all the way along the length of the rib. And on the bottom side, the nut doesn't stick out, so we have a nice flush ceiling part. And that's it. Now, okay, we're back inside again. So now we got the board ready. So the first thing we have to do is take these little nibs out of the holes that we use for marking them. And they can be stiff on a cold day. These old fingers of mine just aren't as good as they used to be. They just don't grab the way they should. 2 and 3. Okay, then we take our board and 3 of the nuts. Put it up on the nut and just snug it a little bit, just loose. Enough to bite, but not enough to really tighten it up. Look at that. And one more. So I've got the ribs in, nice and strong, going down, and now that part's all finished. It's time to start thinking about the walls.